Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about arthritis. Also, I'm going to give you some tips based on nature cure, which are derived from 5 elements and which are really helpful in treating arthritis. And when I say treating, I mean they are not only going to give you relief in the symptoms, but actually they are going to help you towards removing the disease completely if you start in the early stages. If the disease is already chronic and is presenting itself in, I would say, the most chronic form, it might take a lot of time to get rid of the disease or to lessen the effects. Arthritis is inflammation in the joints, and it is due to a number of causes. Could be genetic predisposition, inflammation, altered immune response, some metabolic changes. The growing sedentary lifestyle has been an added factor, which actually aggravates the condition, irrespective of what could be the cause. So when I say sedentary lifestyle, I mean a lot of time the kind of jobs we are in, or our lifestyle forces us to be either standing or sitting for longer duration of time and not being very active. Here is a very simple treatment or regime for about 3 weeks. So we would do dry friction, which should be ideally done morning and evening. Hot and cold compress. This is to be done only once a day. So preferably in the morning regime, we would do dry friction followed by hot and cold compress, followed by warm oil massage, followed by ginger and camphor pack, and this should be followed by exercise. In the evening, we would suggest dry friction followed by exercise. These natural treatments are helpful in reducing pain for someone with aggravated vata. Dry friction is a simple way to improve circulation. You could take a towel and roll it. Use it in circular motion, so use it to kind of give friction to your knee in circular motion. You could do it for about 5 minutes on each of your knee. Make sure to apply medium pressure while doing so. This should be done morning as well as evening. The hot compress dilates the vessels and the cold compress constricts the vessels. The hot and cold compress should be given in the ratio of 3:1 respectively, and this helps to draw the blood to the surface and relieve inner congestion and pain. It promotes better circulation and detoxifies by moving away the lactic acid. This hot compress should be moderately hard. You could even make a bag out of carom seeds, fenugreek seeds, and camphor, which is highly beneficial as it helps in relieving pain and improving circulation, in case you plan to make it yourself. Or you could buy a compress like this. This should be followed by a cold compress. So you have to keep the hot compress for 3 minutes, followed by cold compress for about 1 minute, and give cold compress to the whole area around the knee, on the knee. 3 sets of this 3:1 ratio should be done. So you would give compress for 3 minutes, hot compress for 3 minutes, followed by 1 minute of cold compress, and repeat this 3 times, morning as well as evening. Should be followed by massage. The massage should be done in a circular motion. You could use warm peanut oil mixed with camphor, which is specifically very good for arthritis and knee pain. It increases blood supply and helps in reducing stiffness and inflammation. So massaging the oil for about 5 minutes on both knees, one by one, and doing it regularly for 3 weeks, followed by the mask, really helps in improving the stiffness. Massage is followed by ginger powder mask, which is very helpful in relieving pain. Take a small camphor tablet and mix it well in little water. It's better if the water is warm. Mix 1 tablespoon of ginger powder in this water and apply the mask on your knees and cover it with a firm band. You could cut a socks and make a band out of it. Keep this mask for about 20 minutes and then wipe off the mask. Little tingling with this mask application is normal and it subsides in about a couple of minutes. It's important to follow the massage with the mask application because it helps in um, energizing the muscles and the nerves. After you remove the mask, do at least 3 sets of 5 lifts of the exercise which is shown here. You put your hands under the thigh and tightly pull them inside so that you're making an effort to keep the knees together, and then try to pull the feet towards yourself and straighten up your legs. Hold it and then take them back and try again. So you should at least start with 3 sets of 5 times doing this exercise. Friction and this exercise should be done morning and evening. There should be an addition of milk in the diet at least twice a day, but it will actually depend on what is the tolerance, and it is actually based on the customized need of the patient. Salty food should be restricted, and instead of table salt, it's better to take Himalayan salt or rock salt. In case of gout especially, it's important that foods like fish, eggs, beans, meat, they should be avoided. Caffeine and white sugar should be actually restricted as much as possible because this actually increases pain and inflammation. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.